Hey folks, thanks for joining me today for I'm Just Saying product review. Today we're going to be doing a full review on a robotic pool skimmer made by a company called Betta. I picked this bad boy up on Amazon for $375. Now, do I recommend buying it? Hell yeah. Now this is a pretty easy and simple piece of equipment to operate. Now here's your solar power cell. You have wheel bumpers on each side. You have 4 sensors in the front of it as well for guidance. In the back here, you have your on and off switch, and you also have these 2 propellers which actually push it and guide it to where it needs to go. Okay, so this right here is where all your debris is collected. It's brought in by this little wheel, and this comes out so you can empty it and hose it down. You put it back in and you're on your way again. All right, so let's take it over here, place it in the water like so, and you turn it on. It's very simple steps. Flip that switch on right here. Wait, there we go. And off it goes. It has 2 indicator lights. I don't know what they're used for. On the front, you'll see them. They blink green. I think it's to tell you if it has a charge or not. Now, there's been some rumors around saying that this thing does not work at night or when there's no sunlight. But if you look in back of me, there's no sunlight. And this thing is clearly still working. I've had this thing run 24 hours for the last month just to test it so I can do this product review. And it literally ran through, I'm down in Florida, so it's the rainy season, and it literally ran through all kinds of storms, anything you can imagine when there was no sunlight. So that whole myth about it not running because there's no sunlight is purely BS. Look at the sky. And it's still running. So I'm just saying, I'm gonna give this a 10. This thing has been working like a work hog, and I totally love it. Betta, thumbs up to you guys. You did a great job on this so far. It's been a little over a month, and this thing has been running like a champ. So thumbs up to you guys. Okay folks, so this is something I forgot to mention. It's pretty cool in a way. This is a remote it comes with, so you can manually guide it in the water. It's got arrows on it, back, front, left, right. I guess it's a fun feature for the family. If you have kids, they can use this like a remote control in the pool area. To me, it's more like a gimmick. I just let the robot do what it needs to do. I leave it alone and it just works perfectly fine. Okay folks, well thanks for joining me on this product review, and I look forward to joining you on the next one. So hit that subscribe button and support my channel. I'm just saying.